Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two air fryers that claim to make healthy and crispy food with a lot less oil. We'll be comparing the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer. Both of them are highly rated and loved by many. Let's get started and see which one comes out on top. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to cook for a big family or host a party, choose the Secura Air Fryer XL. It has a 5.3 quart capacity, which is perfect for big portions. On the other hand, if you have limited counter space, go for the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer with its sleek design and 8 quart capacity. It can still cook food for 4 to 6 people, and the design won't take up too much space. Both air fryers have adjustable temperature controls, but if you want to cook at a lower temperature, choose the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer, which can go as low as 200 degrees F. On the other hand, if you love to cook at high temperatures, the Secura Air Fryer XL goes up to 400 degrees F. When it comes to cooking time, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer is quicker thanks to its powerful heating element. So if time is of the essence, go for the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer. Both air fryers are very user-friendly and easy to read, but the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer has a built-in LED shake reminder to ensure that your food is evenly cooked. It also has 4 preset cooking functions that take the guesswork out of cooking. If you want bonus accessories and recipe collections, the Secura Air Fryer XL has got you covered. If price is one of your deciding factors, the Secura Air Fryer XL is the winner. It is priced at $70, while the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer is priced at $119. However, if you have some extra cash to spare, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer offers more features and cooking options. So there you have it, folks. We've compared both air fryers in terms of size and capacity, cooking time and temperature range, features, and price. We hope you found this comparison helpful in choosing which air fryer suits your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.